What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Marshmallow Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now from the eyes, we're going to step down and draw the top edge of the mouth in the center, starting over on the left, bend this down, then across. Now from the ends, we're going to bend this out and then back in towards the bottom of the mouth, almost like drawing a long bracket. Close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and up. Now stretch some of that marshmallow across the mouth. On the top right, we're going to step over, come down, and then bend that out. I want to follow the same curve of the mouth, going out and up on the right. Around at the corner of the mouth, come down, and then back in. Now I'm going to go over to the left side, step over, bend this in, and then down. Around at the top, and just close off the side. And then we'll do that again, stepping out, come down, and then out. Let's close off the corner of the mouth. We're going to go up, down, and then in. Let's go ahead and fill the eyes and the inside of the mouth in black. Now that we completed the face, let's move up to the top and draw the top of the head. We're going to start over on the left, and it's down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Now I just want to curl this around, going around and then down. Now I'm going to layer some bumps along the top corner of the head. On the left side, going all the way around like a circle, and then bend that in. Let's add one more bump underneath. Curve this around and in. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to close off the head, come down, come in underneath the mouth and across. Just bend this up on the right side, just tucking that in underneath. Let's add that bow underneath the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. And we're going to start at the left side. We're going to curl this around, pull this in towards the head, in towards the middle, round this out, go out, and then down. Now let's take that and flip it over on the right. So starting back in the middle, come down, come up on the right side, in underneath the head, come into the middle, and then bend that down. Let's close off the inside, so we're going to step up, come around and up. Let's tuck the ends in underneath, starting in the middle, go out and down toward the left, round this out and go up. Now I want to tuck the top section of the body in underneath. We're going to start underneath the head on the left, curve this around and then in, continue on the right, going up underneath the head. Let's draw the bottom half of the body, starting back on the left, going out, around at the bottom, go across and then up on the right. Now we're going to move down and tuck the legs in underneath. We're going to start in the middle, start with that fold, coming down and out toward the left, and then the right side. Let's go up towards the hip, bend this around and then in, leaving a gap along the bottom. Now on the inside, we're going to bend the legs, going out and then down. Let's round up the leg, go out towards the outside. I want to taper the leg so it gets narrower as we go back up underneath. Now I'm going to place the feet in underneath. We're going to start on the inside, put this around, and then pull that up. Let's go to the side, draw the foot going out, round at the toe, and just tuck that up underneath the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the shoulders. Let's start from the side, going around and just tucking that in towards the side of the body. Now I want to bend the left arm going up, so we're going to start from the side, come down, and then bend that up. Round up the end of the arm, coming down, and then again we're just going to taper the arm so it gets nearer as you come down and then up underneath the shoulder. Let's move over and draw the right arm coming down the side. Out and then down. Round up the arm, pull that up on the outside. And then again, we're just going to taper the arm so it gets nearer as you go up underneath the shoulder. Now we're going to place the hand on top of the left arm. Let's start from the inside, start with the thumb, going in and then out. Along the top of the thumb, let's draw the hand going up, come down and then in. Let's add a curve on the outside of the palm. Now let's tuck the right hand in underneath. We're going to start from the inside, curve the thumb, coming around and up, step up and draw the hand. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Marshmallow Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.